Hi friends, this is another tutorial on how to use TCI. Mrs. Caruana did a really great full tutorial of how to use TCI, but there's just one more thing that I wanted to add to her findings. So instead of using the pen to write on the lines, because sometimes that can be a little hard to write the words, you can actually add a text box. So the text box is a little tricky to use. You can't move it when it's over here for some reason. It won't let you until you type something in it. So it'll pop up over in the left-hand corner here. And then if you start to type, so say I wanted to type desert, it's there. You can barely see it because it's over another word. But if you go over it, you'll see this the cursor with the four arrows going in different directions. Then if you tap on it and move it, it'll go exactly where you want it to go. So again, if you click on the text box tab, it's going to come over here, and then you're just going to have to try to maneuver it. So let's do island now. So again, you can't really see it, but there's the four arrows again. If I tap on it and then drag it over to the island down here, and there it is. So you always have the option to use the pen if you would like, but you could also use the text box as well.